Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how I draw 1 minute life drawings. So that means I've spent 1 minute on each of the drawings that I am showing you here. Life drawing, or croquis, as we call it here today, is an extremely important practice for any artist at any level. Life drawing is about strengthening your observational skills. It's about bypassing the brain and what it thinks it knows. And to simply connect the eyes, your observations, with the hand and the application without too much judgment from the mind. Doing longer studies will provide your hand with the knowledge of anatomy, how things look. And that will certainly help when you're doing these live drawings. But vice versa. The knowledge that you gain from live drawing will certainly also do wonders for your longer work. It will help you to breathe life into longer works, to understand how to draw dynamic drawings. And life drawing is about life. It's about dynamic, interesting, bold choices. You don't have time for everything, but that's the beauty of it. It's about choosing what's important, to go with what is more bold and alive and dynamic. Don't focus on finishing things or polishing things. That will only give you a lot of grief. Since these are 1 minute drawings, you see how little I actually managed to do. But there's a lot of life there and it's lots of fun. Choose a soft material. Just because you can quickly get something on paper. So if you're drawing with graphite pencil, then choose a softer one, like 6B or 8B. Here I'm using pastel pencil. Do you want to seriously improve your classical drawing skills in an immersive and creative environment? In the TDA classical course, everything is about drawing. And you'll learn the basic principles of classical drawing with a strong focus on the human body. To learn more, follow the link in the description below. Find us on Instagram. And remember, keep drawing and have fun.